Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to show you how to deposit funds to your WazirX account using the Mobikwik deposit option. On the home page, click on the funds option. Later click on the INR option and click on deposit. The second option shown, that is instant deposit wallet transfer, is the Mobikwik option. Enter the amount that you want to deposit. Click on the Mobikwik option and later click on the pay option. Enter the Mobikwik registered mobile number. You will receive an OTP on the registered number. Later, it will give you an option to deposit funds using UPI or debit card option. You can choose any option as per your convenience. We are going to use the UPI option in this case. Enter the UPI ID and click on continue. You will receive the notification on the UPI application, which you have to approve. Once you have approved the transaction, you will see that the payment is successful and it is processing deposit to your WazirX account. After a few seconds, the deposit will be successful and the amount will be added to your WazirX funds.